Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate AI anime characters, avatars in CapCut. So to do that, it's quite simple. Just open up the CapCut application, open your project, then go to text, which is on the bottom left side of the screen, and tap on add text to add your text that you would like to use for the basis of your AI avatar. Then just select your text box, just like that, and tap on AI
Hey, how are you?
answers. Then from here, move to stylized, and here you can find lots of different
how are you
stylized
today?
characters. There are anime characters, cartoons, the cyberpunk characters, paintings, and yeah, lots of different ones, and you can just select them and use them as your AI avatar, and they are going to speak the text that you have introduced. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation.